Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Abigail, and today I'll be styling my braids into different styles. This current style, I'll just be dividing my hair into two parts, packing the lower part into a kind of shuku. So pack it and try to arrange the shuku well. Then we move to the front aspect. I also want to pack it into one old type of style and use rubber to hold it. I'm not taking the rubber twice so the hair doesn't become too tight on my hair on my scalp. So after holding it with a rubber, I took two strands of hair, wrapping the base of the hair. Then at this point, I'll just wrap the remaining strands of hair remaining in a circular motion just to give me the bun type of shape and the upper angle. Then I'll be taking two strands of hair from the back also to wrap the rubber showing. And there it is, our first style, our bun up and the one left at the back. You could decide to bun the one at the back, but for this particular one, I didn't. And I applied my edge control. So for the second style, I'll just be removing a portion of my front braids rather, and packing the remaining hair at the center of my head. Then after packing, I'll ensure to make sure that the braids are arranged well or to my taste. So I just try to arrange the braids as I would like it to look. Then I take the remaining strands of hair that I left in the front to pack with the hair. So I'm just carefully going to pass it through the hair at the head that's already packed at the center of my head. Pass it through the down, yes, as you can see. Then I wrap it around the hair that has been already packed. So you can totally rock your hair like this, or you can rock it as our next hairstyle, which is packing the strands of hair left as a bun. So yes, you can totally rock it like this, then lay your edges as you love to, either dramatic or baby hairstyle. So for our next style, our fourth style, I'll just be setting my hair straight. Then I'll pick strands of hair from both sides of the hair, tie it, Then repeat the same process of taking another strands of hair on both sides, picking it with the other ones I've tied before, tying it. Then I repeat the process over and over again till the strands of hair that I have left is finished. Then I just go ahead to tie the remaining strands. I keep tying, I tie and tie and tie till I it's not as much as it used to be. And I twist out the ends just in case I want to lose it. Then I clip the remaining strands with a bobby pin underneath the hair that was packed. Then there you have your styles, guys. You can totally rock this at a wedding as a cheap bridesmaid. You don't have to worry about your braids, hairstyle. Then definitely you lay your edges with whatever you prefer to lay it with. You can either prefer to lay it with your eco styler, your edge control, or your hair wax. Either one. You can lay it as your dramatic hairstyles or your baby hairstyles or just the normal ones. I mean, not everybody loves drama, right? So for our next hairstyle, I'll just be taking a little portion of the hair up and leaving the first roll of the frontal part down and packing the remaining up. This hairstyle, you can achieve it in like 2 minutes. Then pack the remaining strands of hair up. So it's just like an half up, half down, but not totally half, like 1/4 of your hair up. Then packing it up, and that's totally this style. Basically, that's what is given. You want to let your hair down, your hair breathe, flip your hair anyhow. Yeah, so you can totally try this hairstyle, definitely. So for our next hairstyle, we totally want to achieve a low bun hair packed at the back. Yes. So I just basically divided my hair into two halves. I wanted the pattern there. I didn't use rubber in this style. I just picked three or two strands of my hair. Use it to wrap the hair tightly, definitely. Then keep rolling. Then you're advised to, if you don't want to use rubber band, you're advised to use a bobby pin to hold the hair wrapped so the hairstyle can last longer. Then I start taking strands of hair little by little and start wrapping it around the first wrapping I did. Then I continue the process till my no strands is left and my bun is fully achieved. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. If you love my content and you still want to see more styles, please subscribe. So when I upload the next video, you'll be one of the first people to receive a notification and see the video. So guys, thank you very much for viewing this content. See you in my next video. Bye.